If you are planning to become pregnant in the near future, then the Pink or Blue pregnancy test is the right product for you. This video will describe the contents of the Pink or Blue pregnancy test kit, as well as show you how to perform the sample collection for the Pink or Blue early gender test. Inside the Pink or Blue pregnancy test box, you will find 2 midstream pregnancy test sticks, instructions for the pregnancy tests, and a sealed early gender test collection kit. Do not break the seal on the early gender test collection kit until you are ready to collect your samples. Keep the collection kit in a clean, cool environment and ensure that no males will come in contact with the kit. The outside packaging of the early gender test collection kit contains important notes as well as several frequently asked questions. Please read through these carefully. The expiration date on the box refers to the expiration of the pregnancy tests. The early gender test collection kit does not expire and may be kept past this expiration date. If you will not be using the Pink or Blue early gender test collection kit for at least 3 months after your purchase, please visit our website at www.consumergenetics.com to read our most current testing policies. Once you have confirmed your pregnancy with the included pregnancy tests, you may be anxious to find out whether you are expecting a baby boy or girl. However, there are a few preparations you must make before opening the early gender test collection kit. First, you must determine the date on which you are eligible to collect your sample. Go to www.consumergenetics.com and follow the link to our online pregnancy calculator. Use the drop-down boxes to select the first date of your last menstrual period and click on the Calculate Dates button. The table of important dates will show the first date on which you are eligible to collect your sample. It is important that you collect your sample on or after this date. Collecting your Pink or Blue sample before your eligibility date may decrease the accuracy of your result. When you are ready to collect your sample, please make sure there are no males around and you will not be interrupted for at least 45 minutes. The Pink or Blue test uses a highly sensitive method to detect male DNA. Having males present during the collection or interrupting the collection by answering the telephone or opening a door may contaminate your sample. In addition to your Pink or Blue collection kit, you will need paper towels, hand soap, household cleaner, and a pen. When you have gathered these materials, you are ready to proceed with the collection. Begin by cleaning the collection surface with household cleaner. Wipe down the collection surface with a clean paper towel. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. The Pink or Blue kit is packaged and shipped by female staff to ensure it is clean from male DNA contamination. It is therefore important that you clean the collection area and wash your hands well before opening the kit. Pay special attention to the fingertips and under the fingernails. Lather your hands for at least 1 minute and rinse them well. Once your hands are clean, avoid touching anything with your hands, including cabinets, doorknobs, clothing, or hair. Wipe your hands well with a clean paper towel, not a cloth towel. Cloth towels shared with male household members may contain male DNA. You are now ready to open your Pink or Blue collection kit. Place a new paper towel sheet on the clean surface, break the seal on the wrapper, and remove the contents. Take out the instructions and read through them carefully. On the back of the instruction sheet, you will find the laboratory order form, which you must complete before returning your sample. Remove the collection materials from the tray and lay them out on the paper towel. The tray contains the DNA collection card in a white pouch, alcohol wipes, bandages, and lancets. To increase blood flow to your fingers, rub your hands together and close your hands into tight fists several times. Pick up one lancet and twist the safety cover until it comes out. Do not pull on the safety cover to remove it, and do not squeeze the lancet. This will disengage the spring-loaded needle. Choose which finger you will use for the collection. The middle or ring finger is usually a good choice. Open the alcohol wipe and clean the selected finger. Firmly press the tip of the lancet into the side of your chosen finger and squeeze the grooved sides. You should see a small blood drop begin to form. Turn your finger over so that the blood drop is positioned over the DNA collection card. Massage your finger from the base to the tip until the blood drop gets larger. Gently set the bottom of the drop onto the DNA collection card. Try not to set your finger on the card and avoid letting the blood drip under your fingernail. Continue to massage your finger until all 3 circles on the card are completely filled. This is the minimum amount of sample required for the pink or blue test. Do not squeeze the tip of your finger to produce blood. This will result in a bruise. If blood stops flowing from your prick, choose another finger and repeat the procedure until you have filled all 3 circles. Once you have finished collecting the sample, apply a bandage to your finger if necessary. We recommend you air dry your sample for up to 30 minutes on a clean collection surface. After 30 minutes, place the card inside the small white pouch it came in and seal the pouch. This will ensure your sample arrives at the laboratory safely. If you are unable to dry the sample for 30 minutes without being interrupted or risking contamination, dry the card as long as you can and seal it in the pouch. You may discard the leftover collection materials in the regular trash. Finally, you must complete the laboratory payment and authorization form found on the back of the instructions. You must answer all of the questions on this form, provide credit card information, the date of your last menstrual period, and sign and date the consent statement. Returning your sample with an incomplete authorization form will delay your result. The collection tray also contains a standard mailing envelope addressed to the laboratory. Place the completed authorization form and your sample into this envelope and return to the laboratory as soon as possible. We recommend you return your sample using a courier service such as FedEx. Regular mail sent within the United States can take 3 to 5 business days to reach the laboratory. International mail sometimes takes 10 business days. A few important things to remember. Do not dry your hands with a cloth towel. Use only paper towels. You must completely fill the 3 circles on the collection card. Insufficient sample will increase the likelihood of an inconclusive result. Do not place the DNA collection card directly on the counter or other surface. Only place the card on a clean paper towel. An incomplete authorization form will delay your results. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video. If you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to assist you.